Welcome back to eCreativeAid. How to choose the right lens for taking perfect and high quality pictures. Following the unveiling of Nokia 9 PureView, Nokia has raised a lot of controversy because it has used 5 lenses on the backside of its phones with the same resolution and the same aperture, which may surprise the average user. However, photographers will not be fooled by the trick that companies have relied on for a period of time. Other factors other than the resolution of the lens play an important role in improving the quality of the image. Let's talk about the basics. When companies such as Apple and Samsung thought to raise the quality of images on their smartphones, they decided to use 2 lenses on the back rather than 1, in some cases 3. Looking at the technical details of the lenses, for example, Samsung used in the Galaxy S10 a 12 megapixel telephoto lens to shoot distant scenes, and another lens with the exact same accuracy but wide angle, and finally a third 16 megapixel lens at a wider angle. Other factors should be observed, such as the existence of an image stabilizer inside the lens, and thus ensures the user to obtain images and videos free from blurs. In addition, zoom is another factor. Some lenses have a fixed focal distance, while some lenses provide more than a focal distance, so the scene can zoom in and out before taking it as desired. Furthermore, the aperture is symbolized in all lens types and cameras as f, which looks like this: f/2.4. For example, the most important thing is the amount of light entering the sensor. The smaller the number, the greater the amount of light, which means the ability to capture clear images in low light conditions. The main objective of the lens is to pass as much light as possible to capture the details of the scene. This explains the difference in picture quality between 2 smartphones, although there is a lens with the same resolution. The aperture is also responsible for the clarity of the objects within the image frame, or the so-called depth of field, which is responsible for the blur effect in the images. The focal length represents the distance of the center lens inside the lens from the sensor responsible for capturing the light to convert it into a digital image. The measurement unit of this dimension is millimeter, and this explains the name of the lenses. For example, Canon 18 to 55 millimeter or Canon 18 to 135 millimeter. The default dimension is approximately 50 millimeter, and any lens smaller than this number is called a wide angle and is used for landscape photography. Also, telephoto lenses that carry a number greater than 50 millimeters are used to shoot distant objects or to photograph people. The importance of focal length does not stop at this point. It also interferes with the possibility of enlarging images. Some lenses come with a fixed focal dimension, a type known as a prime, which is characterized by its small size and low price in addition to its high strength. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.